Nagtipon-tipon ang mga parte at bahagi ng pagpapatayo ng pasilidad ng Sports Complex Stadium sa University of the Philippines Mindanao sa pangunguna ni Congressman Isidro T. Ongab ngayong ika-5 ng Enero taong 2024. Ayon sa Chief Engineer ng DPWH, ang progreso ng paggawa ng pasilidad ay naayon naman sa kanilang timeline at budget.
Sa facilities and the construction, so far walang pressure from other positive ang sa community, tsaka with the help of our congressman. So ito, patapos na kami tayo, and then siguro kung 2025 siguro next year, so mga finishing touches na siguro kung may budget man na kailangan. Pero yung 400 million, it will be enough to cover siguro yung mga atip kung ano man. So hopefully we can magamit natin itong facility nito by 2026.
Pinaunlakan naman ni Congressman Isidro T. Ongab ng kaalaman patungkol sa sports complex facility na kasalukuyang ginagawa.
We are now actually on the finishing touches. The last budget is now included in the 2024 budget. That's about 300 million pesos, which means target date natin matapos early 2025. Hopefully, this is the last phase already of the sports complex. So makita nato ni by 2026 sa palarong pambansa, wapo na ni kayo. And kompleto natin atong auditorium. Then, aside from the auditorium, the swimming pool is also in its finishing touches. So, yung aquatic sports center natin. And we have an indoor sports. So, naatay football field na dako kayo. So, ready ni to host the 2026 Palarong Pambansa. Yun ang plano. Palarong Pambansa will be held here in UP Davao City Sports Complex.
Follow-up question, sir, is what is the ultimate goal for this?
So, with this, nga natay sports complex, naka-host na ta og regional athletic meet, no? There is a regional palaro, no? There is a sports complex na to. There is a UP Mindanao, Davao City UP Sports Complex. Then, nag-host na ta sa 2019 sa Palarong Pambansa. This will be the second time that Palarong Pambansa will be hosted here. Daghan na pod kaayo mga naggamit diri, PRISA, private sector athletic association, private schools, no? Athletic association din pod sila nag-meet, athletic meet dinhi. Then ubay-ubay pang nagagamit sa ato ang sports complex. Unya karon napod sila track program kung diin ang mga local high schools na to, local elementary, diri na sila nag-coordinate sa UP College of Human Kinetics. So, gwapo ang dagan. So, many years ago, it was just a dream that we will be having a sports complex here in Davao City. And finally, we have it here in Bago Oshiro, Mintal area. So naadiri sa ikatulong distrito ang atong dako nga sports complex sa siyudad sa Davao, which is now recognized in the whole Philippines because we have already hosted Palarong Pambansa in 2019 and we will be hosting again the Palarong Pambansa in 2026.
Nagpasalamat rin ang Chancellor ng UP Mindanao sa tulong ang initiation ni Congressman Ongab.
We would like to, of course, acknowledge Congressman Sid Ongab, who at the beginning of this was really on board in establishing the sports complex, the Davao City Sports Complex here in UP Mindanao, and is continually helping us, assisting us in the completion of the construction of the facilities, and hopefully all of the facilities will be completed soon so that we can have a full sports complex that we can offer to not only to our students but also to our city and also to the region and Mindanao.
Inaasahan ng lahat na matatapos ito sa tamang oras para sa mga sports event gaya ng pambansang laro na gaganapin sa 2026. Kung saan magtitipon-tipon ang mga atletang Pinoy para magpakitang gilas sa kanilang talent at husay sa larangan ng klase-klaseng sports. Maraming salamat sa panonood.